Learning English through real conversations, balancing work and family life.
You know what, I have been thinking a lot about work and family lately.
What's been bothering you, dear?
Well, it's just that with the demands at the office increasing, I feel like I'm missing out on so much family time. It's challenging to balance it all.
I have noticed, you have been working late more often, Dad.
That's true. And we miss playing board games together.
I miss that too, buddy. And Sarah, I haven't been able to attend your soccer games or recitals like I used to.
It's okay, Dad. I understand you're doing it for us.
We appreciate your hard work, but we also want to spend more time together as a family.
That's the thing. I want to find a better balance. I don't want my job to take away these precious moments. Maybe I should talk to my boss about a more flexible schedule.
That sounds like a good idea. We're willing to adjust as a family too.
Yeah, we could have designated family time during the week. Even a movie night or cooking dinner together.
And maybe, Dad, we can have a special day for just the two of us like we used to.
I love those suggestions. It's just that I always thought providing for the family was my top priority.
It still is, but quality time is important too. You can find a balance between your career and family.
You're right. I shouldn't sacrifice one for the other. It's just been a challenge. But I'm determined to make changes.
We are here to support you, Dad.
And we love you no matter what.
Thank you, guys. This means the world to me. Let's work on this together. I promise to be more present in our lives.
That's wonderful to hear, dear. Let's cherish these moments as a family. In this conversation, the family discusses their feelings about work-life balance and the importance of spending quality time together. They acknowledge the challenges, express their support, and make a commitment to finding a better balance in their daily lives. Review. Here are 5 review questions based on the conversation. Write your best answer in the comment box in this video. 1. What is the family discussing in the conversation? 2. Why is the father feeling concerned in the conversation? 3. What suggestions do Sarah and Tom offer to improve family time? 4. What does the father promise to do at the end of the conversation? 5. What does the mother emphasize in her response to the father's concerns? That's all the video of learning English through real conversations. Keep in touch with us. click the subscribe button, like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.